Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO K13x and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. So let's begin with finding the app which is pre-installed on your device. So for sure you've got one, no worries, it is called PhoneManager. So let's find it and then tap on it. Now we've got this section with viruses and risks, so let's simply tap on it and then tap on scan or scan again, but I believe in your case it will be just scan. So now your device will basically scan itself in order to check any kind of malware, any kind of viruses, any kind of problems actually, for example with the security, etc. So just be patient, do not cancel, do not turn it off, just wait until the scan will be finished. And after that, after checking everything, your device will show you the information about the whole scan. And if everything is alright, it will show you the relevant info, of course. But if it will find anything, so for example a virus or a problem with the software, then it will show you the information about it, and it will also guide you through all of these steps to get rid of the risk, to simply remove the potential problem. So now let me maybe quickly speed up the video and then I will show you the results. Alright, finally, as you can see, we had a lot of things to scan, but here we've got the results. Everything is alright, everything is secured. Under it, we've got the recommendations. So, for example, we can perform a storage cleanup to remove junk files or perform system boost. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.